is there any manifestation that you have done in your own life that has gone wrong, or where you have learned a big lesson from?
Coming to one experience which I had just like before knowing the law of attraction, which I always remember, and one of the biggest mistake, and why how law of attraction made me realize how I have done it wrong. That I was studying engineering in one of the best engineering college in my state, and it has a very good reputation and very well known. So I was in the final year, the campus placement was happening, and all that time I always had this desire, because coming from a family background where we have a lot of financial challenges, my always core goal was to get a job as soon as possible and start supporting our family. But like all these companies started coming up, all the big IT companies in those days, and I was due to one reason or another, I was not getting an opportunity to sit for the interview, or something was happening, and or in some interviews I got rejected. And whenever some good company was there, somehow there is a doubt that I won't get it. And then all of a sudden, but my friends, they always say like, we don't know why you are not getting a shot, because then they said everyone around me is saying that they are quite surprised that a guy like me is not getting a job. And then a company came which was offering the lowest salary that year, with worst work environment, and then there was a bond for 4 years to be in that job.
Oh my
And-
God. Don't tell me about that one.
and I got that job.
Oh my God. And you worked with the company for 4 years.
Yes, and I work in that company for 4 years.
No wonder you discovered your true purpose and passion.
Yeah. So what made me realize how I have, and for till that time I was thinking it's my bad luck and that's why I got this job. And जैसे होता है ना कि हमेशा होता है कि मेरे साथ कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं होता, इस टाइप के भी. One side I am optimistic, so that this is the story for everyone. Like there are many people who think I am very optimistic, but why I am not manifesting. So I had this strong desire. I don't want to get it into this company, but somewhere the belief system is saying this company is going to select you. This company is going to select you. So I went. The funniest part is I went for the interview with a mindset that I am not going to get selected. I went to the interview. I gave all the wrong answers.
Really, for real?
Yes, for real.
Were you placed with any other company? No.
No. Because I don't want to get selected in this company. And the colleges used to have this rule. I don't know they have these days or not, that if you are not selected, whichever company is there for campus placement, you are bound to sit for it. You cannot skip it. Only if you don't get selected, you will be waiting for the next one. So I don't have any choice without sitting for the interview. So I sit for the interview and I decided I'm not going to get selected. I'm going to give all the wrong answers. So if they ask one formula, I gave another formula. I said, I don't know. I studied in last semester. I don't remember. And I was so confident that I'm not going to get selected. And I came out of the interview smiling that I have done everything possible to not get selected.
Because you wanted to sit for the next company that was...
Any other company, not this company. So this is going inside my mind. And the result came. And I was selected and my name was at the top. And my friend told me, because this company is into construction and they look for people who are confident, not who are technically sound, who are confident, who can get things done. And they really, really like your confidence, because when you want to lose a game, prepared to lose a game, you are most confident because you are not worried about anything. So they selected me. I joined that company because I don't have any other choice. And there also I was working really hard, and that's where I had this quest to find out what is the secret. And when I understood the law of attraction, that's where I realized that during those whole process, I have a lot of negative beliefs about money, and I was getting attracted towards, even if I'm saying that no. That's why I say in law of attraction, universe doesn't care about your yes or no. Wherever your energy is focused, that's what you manifest. Whether you say yes or whether you say no. If you say I don't want something, I don't want something, I don't want something, then also you are going to get that thing. And after that, I always be prepared. And let's suppose if I am struggling in some manifestation, or some manifestation is taking time, I sit back and ask myself, reevaluate my beliefs, reevaluate everything, my actions, and ask myself, is my belief is right state? Do I have to make some changes? Do I have to do a new kind of tools, techniques, process to reset it so that I can manifest it? So now post that, I won't say I have done any wrong manifestation or anything. Maybe some manifestation have taken time, or maybe some manifestation on the journey I have realized that something more I want or something different I want, and then I shifted my focus or shifted my goal from one stage to another stage. But the similar mistake I have never done after that.
Tell me very, very precisely three big no's while one is manifesting.
One of the most important thing is, do not feed your mind with any ideas or content which is opposite of what you are manifesting. And this is the biggest mistake many people do. Because why? Like, for example, if you want to manifest a happy relationship, if you want to get married happily or find your partner and have a happy relationship, but let's suppose you are listening to sad songs. Let's suppose you are watching video or movies or TV series or OTTs which are only talking about betrayal, breakups, or heartbreaks and all, and there are and the entertainment industry is full of these things. Like, there used to be only sad songs at a time. So if you listen to them, you are feeding your mind with all the negativity. Same way, if you want to manifest, you want to earn a lot of money and create prosperity, but you are reading all about or focusing all on the news, and you are only saying that because someone somewhere is saying that all the rich people are bad or all the money are stolen and like this, and the economy is going down, so you cannot manifest it. Same way, if you want to manifest a dream job and you are always thinking about recession and all, you want only one job, so that job is always out there. But you think about how many uh, employees are laid off by some company, or how the economy is going down or going up or like this, it's not going to help you. So first of all, number one no is, do not feed anything into your mind which is contradicting to what you are manifesting. Second is, be aware about your self talk. Like, do not entertain negative self talk, immediately change the self talk that you are doing. Now the third mistake that many manifestors are doing is, rather than focusing on their manifestation, they are trying to teach other people manifestation or trying to solve other people's problem. When you are manifesting, and if you are not a professional coach, better focus on your manifestation and do not involve in others manifestation process or others negativity. That will derail your manifestation process. So be an example, don't be a coach from the beginning. And if they are struggling in their manifestation, better you can share a book with them, you can share a video with them, you can redirect to someone who is teaching it so that you can learn. And so much of content is available for free on YouTube and other places. But unless you really master it, you have to focus on your manifestation.